Hey there, welcome back to AFI's DIYs. My name is Janet and thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we'll be making holiday wax melts. They're super cute and easy to make, and you can easily customize them with different molds, shapes, and fragrances. Let's take a look at the recipe. To make the wax melts, you will need silicone molds, a hot plate, a double boiler with a glass bowl, glass stirring rod, thermometer, a pouring pitcher, and a container for packaging. You'll also need the following raw materials: 5 ounces or 92.6% of soy wax, 0.3 ounces or 5.6% of fragrance oil, 0.1 ounce or 1.8% of pearlescent mica powder. To fit the holiday theme of our wax melts, I went to the AFI library to pick the perfect fragrance: Christmas tree. Warm and festive. We have thousands of fragrances to choose from here at AFI, so be sure to browse our website to find the perfect one for you. Now that we have our fragrance picked out and our materials ready to go, we can make our wax melts. Let's do it. Prepare your double boiler by turning it on to a medium-high heat. Add the soy wax into the bowl and allow it to fully melt. While your wax is melting, sprinkle your mica in the clamshell molds. The bottom of the molds will be the top of each melt, so the mica will be visible when in use. Keep checking on the temperature of your wax. When it's liquid and hits a temperature of 165 degrees, it's time to add the fragrance. Stir well and ensure it's dispersed throughout the melted wax. Remove the mixture from heat and allow it to cool to a temperature of 150 degrees. And fill your silicone molds. Just like that, the wax melts are done. Make sure you let your wax melts cool for at least 24 hours before removing them from the mold. The longer you let your melts set, the stronger their aromas will be when they're used. Once the melts have cooled and set for the required amount of time, they can be removed from their molds and placed in a wax warmer. As they melt, the pearly mica will disperse throughout the wax and your room will be filled with the festive smell of your fragrance. This DIY only cost us about $2 to make. These melts can be bundled and sold wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. They'd pair great with our scented wax bark. Check it out at our DIY playlist on our channel. Well, that's all I have for you all today. We hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, leave us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we post. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.